this is actually, they do give you enough so you can curve up the edge here a little bit. So make sure you just split the difference and get that all lined up perfectly. Okay, so that's all installed. Put that one off to the side. What we'll do next is we're going to go ahead and get this lower piece done. Again, these are directional, so we want to make sure that we have this the right way. All your hardware is the same, so each one gets a rubber washer on the outside. That's going to be your contact surface against your windshield. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and get this into place. Again, double check, make sure your weather stripping and everything. Okay, so now once you got those just snug and into place, we're gonna go ahead and get this one, at least on this side for now, mounted into place. I'm not sure where those go yet. We have to get the other piece in there, see where these line up to, but we'll go ahead and get these on. Take this here for a quick ride and just see the difference in the sound. I drove it beforehand, so I'm assuming that it's obviously going to be a lot more muffled. I can tell just by sitting in it, it's going to be a little quieter. So yeah, it definitely helps quiet it down for sure. Yeah, there's no real vibration out of the window. It's mounted nice and firm. Happy with the way it cuts down on the noise.